Assalamualaikum, dear lovely brothers and sisters. Welcome back to English with Mizan. Today in this video, I'm gonna share with you an interesting moment, incredible moment. Actually, I'm gonna share all about buffaloes. As you can see behind me, there are so many buffaloes here are eating grass, and some are walking here and there, and some are still standing and trying to eat grass. Actually, they just came here. It's been 10 minutes. They just came here from river. They stay in river whole day. Actually, at day shift, they stay in river. They eat grass over there in river. Actually, which are found in river. Those grasses are found in river. What they eat as a grass. And as you can see behind me, there are three. There are three little brothers. Actually, they look after these buffaloes every single day. They are kept. They are kept for looking after these buffaloes. As you can see, there are so many buffaloes here, and in this place they stay at night. Actually, they are bound in this place. And as you can see, among them, there are so many calves. What I'm trying to say is that calves means there are so many little buffaloes, small buffaloes. Maybe they seem to be called calves. So guys, as you can see over there, there is a man, white t-shirt. Actually, there is a man, white shirt wearing. Actually, he is the owner of all these buffaloes. They actually eat grass in river, and they are still eating grass over here, as you can see. And they all are bound here. They stay at night in this place. So guys, a buffalo has two small eyes and ears, and then two long horns. Horns, something like that. Two long horns and and a long tail with hair at the end. As you can see, there is a tail moving here and there. That is called tail with hair at the end. And as you can see, there's a brother. Actually, he is binding these buffaloes. And over there, there is a primary school. And as you can see over there, there is a house. Actually, it was designed like a foreign style. It was designed like foreign style, and it has so many rooms. Have a look at them. Have a look at them. Actually, it's really awesome. Over there, there are so many buffaloes are still eating straws. Actually, when they come here from river, at the time they also eat straws. Straws mean over there there is a place and there straw. Wow, look at them. Look at them. Actually, they have two long horn, you can see. They look like black. Every single buffalo looks like black, and sometimes it may have a large spots on its body. And as you can see behind me over there, there is a backhoe. What I'm trying to say is that is called an excavator. There is an excavator. And over there, as you can see, there are so many cows are also eating grass. They are still eating grass. What time they go to river and what time they come back. Actually, they go to river for eating grass in the early hours. Actually, the owner of these buffaloes release them in the early hours. Actually, they are released. They are released in the morning, and they go to river at 6 a.m. and then they come back in this place at actually in the evening time they come back. It's about 5:30 or 6 p.m. They stay in river whole day, and at night they stay here. This is the place where they stay. Look at this place and look at them. And uh, one of buffaloes actually seeing me, looking at me. Over there, there is a man, white shirt wearing. Actually, he is my mm, uncle. He's my uncle, and he's the owner of these buffaloes. And there are a couple of boys kept for looking after these buffaloes all the day and all night. Actually, I was making video today. At the time, I saw these buffaloes, and I just thought of making video that how about making video about all these buffaloes. That's why I'm here right now. I've come here to make a video with them, and it's really awesome. And actually, right now, I'm having an incredible moment. Wow! And over there. And over there, actually, there is a street, and there are different types of vehicles available over there. For example, trucks, buses, something like Saint Martin, Green Line, CNG, rickshaw, cycle, bike, and so on. And there is a man walking. Actually, he is also owner of some of these buffaloes. So let's see. I'm gonna show you how to bind this buffalo. Have a look at how to bind this buffalo. Actually, they're bound. They're bound with horn. They're bound with horn because they have really long horn, two long horn that are really sharp. Two sharp long horn they have. So have a look at him. Actually, he is trying to bind this buffalo. This is really white color, somewhat white color. Among them, all buffaloes are black color. Among them, this is white color. So guys, I don't want to make it more longer. Stay well and safe. Please pray for attention. Allah Hafiz.